Hello everyone, myself Mukund and my friend Akhil will explain our code that cleans multiple Excel files and merge them into single one. We try to make our code as compact as possible by creating the functions. We also added proper comments for easy understanding. We were given with the multiple Excel file which contains the data of Brampton Civic Hospital, Etobicoke General Hospital and Peel Memorial Health Hospital. Data was distributed in different files, so it was quite difficult to get an analysis out of it. Our end goal was to clean all those files by removing unnecessary rows and columns and merge them into single one. Firstly, we have imported all the necessary libraries for our code, such as pandas, numpy, and so on. To work with the Excel files, we have used OpenPyXL library that allow us to create Excel files by the code and write into it. After importing all the necessary libraries, we went to the file location and we fetch all the file names from the file location and stored it in one list. We use this list to retrieve data out of all those files. Initially, all column names were distributed in three different rows. So we have created a function named column name that fetches the all column name from different levels and make one single header for all the columns. In this function, we stored all column names from different levels into different lists. After that, we have cleaned those lists by removing blank spaces, unnecessary headers, and blank cells. After cleaning, we initialize all those combined names into one final list. We name the first column name as a category as it shows different categories of expenditure by hospitals. So that's it from my side, and now my friend Akhil will explain the remaining code. Over to you, Akhil.
Thank you, Mukund. My name is Akhil and I will explain the cleaning and merging part of our code. So for the cleaning, we are fetching Excel files one by one from the list that we have made at the starting of the code. We have skipped first few rows which were of no use of analysis. Then we gave data frame header which was organized by removing different levels and merge into one, which Mukund explained before. We have cleaned data in a manner that makes sense while analyzing. So we removed all the non values and assigned 0 to it. That makes sense for this data. In this data, we were having columns that contains amount of money, but that has dashes as values. So we need to replace it with 0. In addition to that, we removed all the rows and columns that either contains all zeros or nothing at all. And at the end, we give name to the first index, that is category, which explained by Mukund. Now after doing all the necessary operations, we're supposed to merge the file. So for that, we created a function that will take file name and split it to take month and year out of it. It will be used to save the clean data frame into a Excel sheet according to its file name and sheet name. For doing that, we created three different Excel files and data frames. Now after iterating through all the files here, we got from the folder which explained by Mukund. Suppose we got first file as BC January 2021 financial. So it will check if it contains BC or not, and if it does contain, then it will clean the data of it and pass it to saving the file, which take January 2021 from the file name and store that data to merged BC Excel files with sheet name as January 2021. It will go same for all the files available in the data. And after executing this code, we will get three Excel files that will look like this. This is the file for British Brampton Civic Hospital. These for another hospitals, and we have different sheet as month name. So as our final goal was to make data ready for analysis, we thought to try visualizing analysis, and we were able to do it. As you can see here, we have imported merge BC file that is of Brampton Civic Hospital file to the Tableau, and we tried to analyze from it. So here you can see from the example, like we have created a pie graph that is for budget for all the items. Here you can see that accessory has budget of 1,800. So we were able to do it, and that is meaningful, which was necessary for the data analysis. So that's it from our side. Thank you.